3, 2, 1.
What Zoe 101 character has a list? The answer is A, Stacy. What is used to make art with colored powder? The answer is B, crayon. A crocodile bite's strength is up to how many pounds psi per square inch? The answer is C, 3,000 psi. What is a recession characterized by? The answer is C, unemployment rise. Who designed the little black dress? The answer is B, Coco Chanel B. What was the name of the London area where Jack the Ripper murdered his victims? The answer is C, Whitechapel. Which is not a type of coral? The answer is A, reef. I have propellers and travel over water, but I am not a boat. What am I? The answer is A, seaplane. What TV series of Donna and Silzer, Brandon, and others have at the CU News in Season 7 of Beverly Hills, 90,210? The answer is C, Evan. In which book series does Edward Cullen appear? The answer is C, Twilight. Who broke Serena Williams' record for most Grand Slam titles? The answer is C, Naomi Osaka. Who is the author of Catcher in the Rye? The answer is C, J.D. Salinger. What is the world's most valuable video game company? The answer is A, Microsoft. I have a handle and a brush, but I'm not used for painting. What am I? The answer is D, toilet brush. In what form of matter is hydrogen at room temperature? The answer is D, gas. A student plans an investigation to calculate the speeds of different balls as they roll down a ramp. Which piece of information is least necessary for the student to record? The answer is B, the thickness of the ramp. Which of the following is the name of one of the Three Stooges? The answer is B, Moe. Which two teams played in the first NFL championship? The answer is D, Chicago Bears and the New York Giants. What kind of symmetry do echinoderm larvae have? The answer is D, bilateral. Which game is the fastest-selling video game of all time? The answer is A. Minecraft. Which of these ladies was the first woman to play on a professional minor league baseball team? The answer is D. Kendra Haynes. The Thames and Severn rivers meet at what English town? The answer is D. Gloucester. Which language has the largest vocabulary size? The answer is B. German. What band's music videos has Jackass director Jeff Tremaine also directed? The answer is A. Turbongro. What is the value of factorial 5? The answer is A. 120. I'm hot, I burn, and I'm a danger to many. What am I? The answer is A. Sun. Neon Ni, argon R, and krypton Kr are in the same column on the periodic table of the elements. What characteristic do these elements have in common? The answer is D. Full valence electron shells. What type of milk is the Grana Padano cheese made from? The answer is C. Cow's milk. I have a language that sounds like laughter, but has no vowels. What am I? The answer is D. Iceland. Which tool is used to determine the mass of an object? The answer is C. Balance. In which style of the Japanese tea ceremony are the host and guests seated at tables? The answer is B. Yurei. What color are most highlighters? The answer is C. Green. I create monsters from the heads of slain foes. Who am I? The answer is C. Sharon. I'm often used to clean the floor, but if you sit or stand on me, you'll need another one. What am I? The answer is C. Mop. Who broke Usain Bolt's world record in the men's 100 meters at the 2021 Olympics? The answer is D. Jacob Desarnais. What term means anything that is detected either through human senses or with instruments and measuring devices that extend human senses? The answer is A. Observation. In 1999's match for the FA Cup between Arsenal and Manchester United, who misses the penalty during the first period of extra time, and who scores later on, thus deciding the outcome of the match? The answer is D. Bergkamp Ryan Giggs. I'm often green, but turn red when cooked. What am I? The answer is C. Tomato. What does GDP stand for in economics? The answer is B. Gross domestic productivity. What term means a reproductive cell, like the human egg in females? The answer is B. Gamete. I'm a bird that can swim, but I don't have feathers. What am I? The answer is A. Penguin. What is a group of islands in the Pacific Ocean called? The answer is B. Archipelago. What moves all day, but never walks? The answer is A. Sun. Which ocean borders the United States west coast? The answer is B. Pacific. What is the only country in the world whose flag features a building? The answer is A. Cambodia. V88 Corbett is a bus line serving which city? The answer is C. San Francisco. Which desert spans parts of Egypt, Algeria, Libya, and Tunisia? The answer is A. Sahara Desert. What was the name of the song that actor Jackie Chan recorded for the 2008 Summer Olympics? The answer is D. We Are Ready. Small water bodies often fed by springs are called what? The answer is A. Ponds. Sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles of the cell in the third phase of what process?